Bondada Engineering Private Limited, popularly known as BEPL, is a leader in providing complete engineering solutions. Began its journey in 2012. BEPL has been in the provision of wide range of products and services across its diversified three key segments, namely telecom, renewable energy, and green construction products with a decade of experience by now. BEPL's strength stems from its knowledge-based approach, highly experienced team, and strong multidisciplinary capabilities. BEPL fosters a culture of excellence and challenging environmental practices. Over the years, BEPL has earned nationwide accolades for designing and delivering infra solutions for customers by leveraging its domain and business expertise.
After my successful first innings, I have started my second innings in the year 2012. The name of Bondada Engineering Private Limited, that is BEPL. My vision is to establish and lead a respectable organization in infrastructure space, providing world standard quality services and products. To achieve this vision, I have started this company with the same as my vision statement. BEPL is diversified player in infrastructure sector, focusing on excellence in project execution. It mainly focuses on three leading business segments. These are telecom infrastructure. We have been working on advanced technologies, they are 4G and 5G networks. Renewable energy. We undertake solar EPC projects on megawatt scale basis. We have established state-of-the-art ultra-modern manufacturing facilities for all our green construction products. They are AAC blocks and UPVC windows. We see huge business potential in all three above segments for next 1 decade. Our mission is assimilation of latest technology continuously in order to execute projects with cost effectiveness and adherence to the milestones. Our business development strategy is to get repeat orders from our esteemed customers, delivering project on time, 100% quality assurance, and give highest priority to environment safety.
Over a decade, it has built a strong brand through strategic partnerships with nationwide leaders with its delivery-based approach focusing on customer requirements in telecom implementation services such as tower construction, optical fiber laying, FTTX works, construction of facilities and retail outlets, telecom managed services, O&M, etc., solar EPC, UPVC doors and windows, manufacturing of AAC blocks. The company pays more attention to focus on expanding its service and product lines to meet the needs of their existing clients by continually focusing on getting extensive quality and efficiency. Thus, BEPL maintains exceptionally high standards of quality, safety and environmental protection and is committed to delivering projects on schedule. The company has shown consistent financial performance with steady revenue growth since its setup and has been reflecting 65% compounded annual growth rate in revenue till financial year 2022.
Financial year 2021-22 is a special year for us because we have achieved another landmark of crossing 300 crore plus revenue benchmark. We have achieved revenue of 340 crore during this financial year as against our first year revenue of just 7 crore. We had an average annual revenue growth rate of 65% year on year over the last 10 years. Needless to say, this is remarkable achievement. The company has order booking of 270 crore as of March 2022, which needs to be delivered in next 6 to 8 months of time.
BEPL's focused approach of prioritizing key geographies and segments for now, such as design and engineering services, renewable energy and construction green products have yielded the desired results. The company operates on pan-India basis. The company has an employee strength of 500 plus and expect to increase the strength much more due to the new projects in pipeline.
We are currently 500 plus employees working in this group. Our main motto and aim is to create more and more employment in coming days. We take care of employees' welfare in all possible ways as they are our strength and assets. We should really appreciate our team that they have really worked very hard even during COVID times to meet our customer expectations. Directly or indirectly, we are giving livelihood of about 10,000 families in this company. My endeavor is to make it even much bigger.
The company aims to become a leading engineering orchestrator of choice for its numerous renowned clients as below: Reliance Jio, Airtel, Indus, Tata Communications, L&T, BSNL, ITI, Ericsson, KP Group, Enrich Energy, My Home Industries, Vasavi Group, Janapriya, JMC, L&W, Shapoorji Pallonji, Ashoka Builders. BEPL also plans to invest in other high-growth areas in forthcoming years. This great voyage of BEPL has been made successful with not just one man's effort, an emphasis on the relentless efforts and limitless dedication of our key management team members, and we take pride to portray them here. Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Bondada Raghavendra Rao. Director, Ms. Bondada Neelima. Director, CFO, Mr. Bharatam Satyanarayana. Telecom Construction Head, Datta Uma Maheshwar Rao. Tower Plant Head, Mr. MVD Prasad. Telecom O&M Head, Mr. A. Nandakumar. Solar Business Head, Mr. V. Lakshman Rao. AAC Plant Head, Mr. ATV Varaprasad. UPVC Plant Head, Mr. A. Pradeep. The founding team consists of qualified professionals with more than 1 decade of experience in the infrastructure and telecom sectors, with a motto to provide end-to-end services in the infrastructure sector. Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Bondada Raghavendra Rao, fondly known as BRR in the industry, is the founder of Bondada Engineering Private Limited. He is an accomplished leader with over 25 years of experience across many sectors, including projects in telecom, power transmission, renewable energy, pre-engineered buildings, and industrial infrastructure. Prior to founding the company, BRR was heading the overall operations as COO and Executive Director of Aster Private Limited. During his 14+ years of tenure at Aster, he has contributed to its phenomenal growth by handling projects worth over 1,500 crores over the past 10 years since the company's inception. BRR has been instrumental in the growth of the company with its lofty vision combined with execution-oriented approach. He is acclaimed for his perseverance, target achievement, ability to get the best from the team, and his desire to contribute positively to the society at large. Last but not the least, BEPL has been active in its CSR initiatives since very early on its journey.
We are very active in CSR initiatives, corporate social responsibility, since beginning of our journey. We have been spending over and above mandated amounts as per statutory obligations every year on CSR, uplift the livelihoods of people in rural areas. Rural healthcare, which includes medical camps for health checkups, provided oxygen cylinders, concentrators, and medical kits during COVID times. We are also providing basic amenities in rural and remote villages as a part of CSR initiatives, provided solar street lights, development of graveyards, setup of drinking water treatment plants, and many more works.
Recollecting struggling life in his childhood and inspired by the virtue and highness from his father, Shri Bondada Pichaya, and empathizing the economically struggling school children, Mr. Bondada Raghavendra Rao, the chairman and managing director of the company, guided his colleagues and enhanced countless aids and support. BEPL has sponsored several projects to NGOs for the welfare of physically challenged and differently abled children on BEPL's behalf, as one of its gestures of corporate social responsibility. BEPL's CSR mission initiated the renovation of several neglected schools and arranged basic amenities in and around Krishna district. Especially in this corona pandemic, BEPL played major role in granting medical equipment like oxygen concentrators and COVID medical kits to countless victims. numerous voices evince this ferocious initiative and confers survived with his kindled spirit. BEPL's CSR mission also focuses on contributions to relief funds, donations towards temple construction and school development activities, solar lights and self-timed lights across many villages, providing barricades to traffic police, donations to the hospitals, development of cremation grounds, scholarships to meritorious students, installation of water treatment plants, donations to NGOs, organizing medical and blood donation camps, and many more. Manava Seve, Madhava Seva. With this inspiring journey of last 10 years, this company is aiming to achieve revenue benchmarks of 1,000 crores in next 5 years, that is by 2027.